Hey folks, I have a baritone ukulele to show you today, and I'm really proud of this one. It turned out great. It's number 939. It's for a repeat customer who ordered a banjo last year, and he had teak and walnut on his banjo, so we went with teak and walnut with this one a bunch too. So the back and sides are some beautiful, super curly walnut from here in Hood River. I just love the sapwood and the color in this one. And the top is Alaskan yellow cedar, and that's off the beach at Camp Westwind. Really cool blue, gray, and brown stripes in it. The neck is some Spanish cedar, and then we've got teak for the fretboard, like I said. And then for the fretboard and head plate, or sorry, the head plate and pickguard, we made a mosaic of all the woods in the instrument. So it's scrap woods laid out in a mosaic pattern, kind of random one. And I really like doing that. I think it's a cool vibe. And it really helps kind of unify the whole color palette, you know. And we did simple walnut binding on this one. I think this is the third baritone this year with this Alaskan yellow cedar for the top, and they're always really good. Yeah, it feels great. So I'm really pleased with how this one sounds and feels, and it's just got a cool look to it. I appreciate the chance to make stuff like this. So, cheers.